From beet salad to zoodles, the best spiralizers can transform ordinary vegetables into extraordinary dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your healthy eating journey, we've compared features, quality, and value to narrow down the top 7 best spiralizers available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Mueller Pearl Multiblade Spiralizer. We like the Mueller Pearl Multiblade Spiralizer because it stands out as an effective and versatile kitchen gadget that also has good value, perfect for those who love to experiment with their cooking. Made from professional-grade ABS plastic, it's tough enough to handle the hardest vegetables, including beets and sweet potatoes. The Spiralizer comes equipped with 4 strong 420-grade stainless steel blades, providing a good range of cutting options for various vegetables like zucchini and carrots. A notable feature of this Spiralizer is its practical and compact design. It includes suction cups for stable use and offers a space-saving storage solution. All parts fold and attach together neatly, preventing any loss of components and saving kitchen space. Cleaning is also made simple since all components are suitable for washing, either by hand or in a dishwasher. The blend of value and user-friendly features makes the Mueller Pro Multiblade Spiralizer a worthwhile addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy healthy and creative cooking. The pros are that it's a good value, its compact design packs up easily, and it's easy to clean. The cons are that fully packing up and unpacking can be a hassle if used daily. Number 6. WellToBe 6-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer. Our favorite thing about the WellToBe 6-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer is its stainless steel construction. This choice of material speaks to its quality and durability, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Stainless steel not only offers a sleek look, but it also means the Spiralizer is easy to clean and maintain, whether you're washing it by hand or in the dishwasher. We also like that it includes 6 interchangeable blades, providing versatility for a range of culinary tasks, from creating delicate angel hair pasta out of zucchini to crafting hearty vegetable lasagnas and fun curly fries. This Spiralizer can handle it. Additionally, the Spiralizer's design features sturdy suction cups for stable, one-handed operation. The combination of high-quality construction and functional design makes the WellToBe 6-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer a standout choice for those who enjoy adding a creative and healthy twist to their meals. The pros of this Spiralizer are its stainless steel construction, its selection of blades, and its sturdiness all around. One con is that it doesn't pack away as nicely as some other options. Number 5. Shine Kitchen CO SES 100 Electric Spiralizer. Our first electric option, we like the Shine Kitchen Spiralizer for its speed and ease of use. One of the best things about this Spiralizer is its simple operation, making it a great choice for both experienced cooks and beginners alike. As an electric model, it takes the manual effort out of spiralizing. Equipped with a powerful motor that could handle hard vegetables with ease. This is a 4-in-1 Spiralizer that comes with 4 different stainless steel blades, offering a variety of cuts for creative cooking. While using, the no-slip holder grip helps vegetables stay in place while spiralizing. Additionally, the plunger lock feature is a thoughtful addition, letting you continuously spiralize without the need for constant intervention. Another aspect we appreciate is the built-in BPA-free container, capable of holding up to 60 ounces. This not only makes the process cleaner, but also more organized. When it comes to storage, the design of the Shine Kitchen SES 100 is more compact than you would think. All components neatly fit inside the container, making it easy to store away without taking up much space in your kitchen. The pros are that it's fast and powerful, safe, and easy to use. The cons are that the veggies do have to fit in the feeder tube. Number 4. Paderno World Cuisine 6-Blade Vegetable Slicer/Spiralizer. The Paderno World Cuisine 6-Blade Vegetable Slicer/Spiralizer impresses us with its combination of practicality and value, all in an efficient design. This Spiralizer includes an impressive selection of blades, 2 straight blades, 3 julienne blades, including an angel hair blade and a wavy blade, a cleaning brush, and even a recipe book to inspire your culinary adventures. It works great for making zoodles, thin ribbons of carrots, and a variety of other vegetables, adding versatility to your healthy meal preparations. One of the standout features is how easy and safe it is to remove the blade plates, which is very nice if you frequently change blades for different recipes. The Spiralizer is anchored by strong suction-cup feet for stability during use. This is particularly important when you're working with tougher vegetables. Additionally, the entire unit is made of heavy-duty BPA-free ABS plastic, which not only speaks to its durability, but also makes it safe for dishwasher cleaning. The pros of the Paderno Spiralizer are that it's very good value, it has a nice selection of blades, and it does a good job spiralizing a large variety of vegetables. The cons are that although it works great, the overall construction and durability could use an upgrade. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer. This electric spiralizer, crafted from BPA-free materials, offers a safe and efficient way to create vegetable spirals. It comes with 3 cutting cones and a 6-cup bowl, accommodating a variety of spiralizing tasks. We like the user-friendly design of this device. Its 2.5-inch round tube easily fits whole foods like zucchini, carrots, and cucumbers, and makes the whole process simple. The metal food grip on the food pusher holds the vegetables securely for beautifully crafted spirals. The Spiralizer's ease of cleaning is convenient as well. It's dishwasher safe and includes a cleaning brush, making post-use cleanup quick and easy. Additionally, its nested storage design saves on kitchen space. Another aspect we appreciate is the safety feature. The Spiralizer operates only when the plastic feed tube is correctly attached and locked in place, adding an extra layer of security. The pros are that it has automatic one-head operation, it fits on the countertop easily, along with quick and easy use and cleanup. The cons are the manual Spiralizer options could be better for things like beets and bell peppers. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer. The OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer is a versatile option, ideal for quickly creating uniform spirals from fruits and vegetables. Great for making curly fries, salads, and garnishes, this Spiralizer includes 3 stainless steel blades for spaghetti, 1/8 inch, fettuccine, 1/4 inch, and ribbon cuts, broadening your culinary options. It also features a stronghold suction cup for secure, non-slip stability on countertops. Its compact design ensures it fits easy in small storage spaces, while the removable blade box keeps blades clean, organized, and safely stored when not in use. This user-friendly Spiralizer is a solid option for those who love to add a creative and healthy twist to their meals. The pros are that it's well-built, easy to use and clean, compact, and space-efficient. One drawback is that this machine leaves more of a core that wasn't cut out than other Spiralizers, like the Paderno.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.
Number 1. Brieftons 10-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer. The Brieftons 10-Blade Spiralizer is an excellent choice for anyone passionate about healthy cooking. First, we like that it includes a selection of 10 Japanese 420 grade hardened stainless steel blades for a variety of cuts, including angel hair, julienne, spaghetti, linguine, curly fries, and more. Constructed from 100% BPA-free reinforced ABS, this Spiralizer is strong enough to handle even the toughest vegetables like butternut squash, sweet potatoes, and beets. It's not only easy to use and clean, but also compact enough for convenient storage. The catch container and keep fresh lid are thoughtful features that minimize mess and keep your vegetable noodles fresh for longer. Additionally, its supersized foolproof suction pad with an easy on-off lever gives stability, and the extra caddy provides safe storage for the blades. Overall, the Brieftons 10-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer is well designed and ideal for those looking to add versatility and healthiness to their cooking. The pros of the Brieftons Spiralizer are its huge variety of blades, its complete set of features, and its excellent performance. One potential con is that, like all options with suction feet, they need to be on a slick surface such as granite or laminate to create suction and stability. Whether you're looking for a high-capacity spiralizer for large family meals or a compact electric spiralizer for your cozy kitchen, there's a perfect match for everyone. Do you still need a little more help deciding on the best spiralizer for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for links to the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.